All right, we're here at Vent Grid, and I'm bringing this product up because it's something that we're starting to bring into use on our projects. So what Vent Grid is the drainage material that was typically used for the cedar roofing applications, where we need that airspace and drying behind the assembly. But the thing that I really like about it is a different use case that we're starting to bring in on our projects. And that's where we're using it for our Rainscreen. So what this does is it provides a half-inch airspace back here for drainage and drying in the assembly, but it communicates three-dimensionally. That water can drain and that air can move in any direction around here. It's a really robust reinforced plastic material that fastens onto the building. You have these pre-punched locations where your fasteners can go in, and then you apply your cladding of choice over top of it. We like it because you can do any orientation. You can run vertical cladding on it, horizontal cladding on it, shingle style claddings without any sort of special treatment. There's an additional little detail piece here that goes down at the bottom of the wall. You can see this closure down here at the bottom, which is going to allow the water out and the air in to give you a nice bug closure and protection for that bottom side of the Rainscreen. Vent Grid.